Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're here with another episode of 3 looks, 1 palette, and today's video features the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. I just want to make a quick disclaimer real quick. I know Tim featured this in the video of Boyfriend Does My Makeup. This will not feature like the recreation of his look because he used other palettes. That video will be coming at some point in the future. And as a reminder, basically the rules are this: using this palette and this palette only. No other eyeshadow palettes, no highlighters for inner corner highlight, brow bone, whatever. Just this palette. 3 different looks. Just gonna get right into it. I'm all primed and ready to go, and let's do this thing. guys, this is the third and final look for the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. 3 looks, 1 palette. Kind of interesting because just the overall color scheme, it really does work. I think each of my looks were pretty different. I'm honestly loving this one because it was quicker to achieve and it's just, it's more easy on the eye. I'll be honest, if I were to do something like this again, I would go in with like a different inner corner, although it does have a really nice pop. I'm not that obsessed with the formula of this guy right here. Another one down, so one spoiler for what the next one will be. The next 3 looks, 1 palette will be my luxurious, why do I hate that word? If you watch any of my beauty haul and unboxing Empties videos, I cannot say that word anyway, by Malibu Glitz, Luxurious Touch. It's a 16 color palette. I had a first impressions get ready with me with this palette. Very like fall-esque kind of vibe, but we're gonna jump into that one in the next episode, and the ideas have been rolling ever since I pulled this out, because I keep a couple out at a time so that way I know what's coming. And I didn't want to do this one after the Urban Decay Naked Heat just because of all the warm colors, so that's why I went ahead with the Sapphire. Not like it really matters, but it just makes me feel better about it because it forces me to do different stuff. But anyway, totally rambling. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until the next one.